Welcome to the Shropshire Union Canal, also known as the Shroppie. It was the last trunk narrow canal to be built in England. It was finished in 1835. The Shroppie was the last major civil engineering accomplishment by Thomas Telford. In an effort to keep boat traffic moving, he designed a lot of the Shroppie to be without locks. So he put embankments in where there were valleys, and then when he hit a hill, instead of going up and over a hill using locks, he got the navvies to dig straight through them. They're called cuttings. The cuttings blew my mind. They were very deep, very straight, and all dug out by hand. Amazing.
That's a really stunning bridge, isn't it?